Hey guys, how's everybody today? Today we are working on a 2007 Ford Explorer with a 4-liter motor. We're working on a water pump. Came in here for a water leak and ended up being a bad water pump. It was peeing out the little hole wherever it was leaking water. But anyway, pump's bad, so we're putting the new one on it. You can see the only thing you really got to take off of this thing is the fan. The fan itself, which is here somewhere. There's a special tool you can use for that. I can show you what it is real quick. Fan clutch tool. Very simple to use. Right there. Uses that small end right there. And this right here is what you lock onto the two nuts on the water pump itself, the bolts for the water pump. So you take this, put your fan bolt on there, and you lock that on there like so. That holds it in place. And you take your other wrench and you break out loose. It does turn counterclockwise to loosen. Counterclockwise, pops it right off. Put the new one on after you're done, clockwise obviously. Then the only thing you gotta do is just drain it and take the upper radiator hose off, is what makes it a little easier. And to be real easy, take this idler off, because it was a pain in the butt getting that out of there. There are 12 8mm bolts. There they all are. They're buried. I use one of these to break these loose. Like whenever you take the screw loose, put this in behind there and break the seal. If you break the seal on every one of these, even your little ones, even right there, break all your seals loose with this first, and then it makes it a lot easier for that hose to come off. But anyway, 2007 4.0 Ford Explorer, 12 the 8mm bolts. The socket size is 8mm. Pop it off. And I would suggest that you guys do this. It's very simple to do. Take a little bit of blue crap, put it on the silicone, let it go ahead and set up a little bit. You don't need silicone on the backside. Just clean the head up real good, or clean the block up, and put it back together. That's it. Just tighten them up to the specs. I use hand tight. I use a ratchet. Down in there, everything looks clean. Put everything back together. Fill it up with antifreeze, and then leave the cap off. Leave your little radiator cap here off for a little bit until you get the air out of it. And then turn your heater on inside whenever you get the antifreeze back in. Turn your heater on. That'll allow for it to burble the air out. That's it. You guys don't forget to subscribe. Have a good day.